Got my buddy with me on a Friday, and right, Star Fox? Star Fox. Being a good boy. He's always a good boy. Especially at work. It's really nice to have him. And the reason I have him is because, once again, I slept through my alarm this week. He doesn't like going to work when I leave really early. Usually I'll try to get up around 4 or 5 and, get to work around 5:30 or 6:30. But this week I've slept through my alarm twice. The only day that I actually got up early was yesterday, I think, and been super tired, and I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. I'm very glad it's Friday and that this is last day of the week before I can rest up over the weekend. And it's weird, like, don't know what's going on there. It's not that I like waking up early or that I will wake up early naturally, because that's definitely not the case. But usually it's not really a problem for me to get up at 4 or 5 in the morning. It's not. I don't love it, but I do it consistently. And then on the weekends, I just turn off my alarm and can sleep in till 7, 8, 9, whatever time I get up. And I understand that's not healthy, but I mean, neither is getting like 4 or 5 hours of sleep during the week. So, I mean, you can't win them all. So I don't know if something's going on health-wise. I don't think so. Maybe, I know I've been under some stress because of a stupid financial situation at work that's been bothering me, but it's getting taken care of, and it's not like, I don't know, it's weird. I don't know why I can't wake up this week, but I'm just gonna finish my Friday with my little buddy's help and rest up a lot over the weekend and start next week fresh and just see how it goes. Sometimes all you can do is keep plugging away.